Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be showing you guys some certain fixes for OneDrive sync issues on your Windows 10 device. So let's get right into it. I am using this Uniserve article since I do not have these problems, so just follow these instructions and you should come across a fix that fits your problem's description. Now, first, what you need to do is try and re-establish the sync by right-clicking the OneDrive icon and clicking exit, then just launch it again and everything should be fine. If that doesn't work, you can then view online by going into more under OneDrive and then view online and signing in again. Make sure to check online whether Microsoft is having server issues themselves by going to this link in the Service Health portal. You need to check and install Windows updates, which will also install the latest OneDrive update. You can try and unlink OneDrive from your PC by running the OneDrive setup again. After you unlink the OneDrive, you can go under OneDrive icon, into the OneDrive icon in your taskbar, clicking more, clicking settings, then into accounts tab, and then unlink this PC. Then if that doesn't work, what you can also try is moving the sync folder out or moving the files out of the sync folder. First, you need to pause the syncing for 2 hours and then try to remove the files. If you restart the sync and it syncs up perfectly, you can try and resume the syncing once you add the problematic files back. You can also go and turn off Office Upload by going into OneDrive settings, Office tab, and unchecking Use Office 2016 to sync. You can also make sure that you have enough space. That is very important, of course. You can update, repair, or reinstall Office, which might also cause your problems. And then you can reset OneDrive by opening a Run dialog by pressing Windows key and R. And under Local App Data, Microsoft OneDrive and OneDrive exe /reset, and press OK. A command window may appear, and manually launch OneDrive, and you can click on the OneDrive desktop app and update it yourself. And that is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll be seeing you guys in another video.